Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're here now in Malaysia. So we are here in the currency exchange. It's a long line. Okay, there's some more over there. We're going to the market to eat local food. Currency exchange here, guys. Near in the pier. Oh, it's very pretty restaurant. Who your paisan? Ah, jealous. No, it's okay. I don't talk about like that.
You know, I'm this girl you manages.
Ah, like in Philippines, let's eat like this, no? Shong, no? I'm hungry. I want to eat that vegetable. See, like in Philippines, look. Mango. Here, let's buy this one.
Really, I'm nothing. I don't have knowledge.
No problem, babe. How much this one? See, it's more expensive here than in Philippines. Why we don't eat in Philippines? Let's walk around first. Oh my god, this is same in the Philippines. We have like this also. Filipino, no? Malaysian? Filipino? This is Filipino food?
No, Malaysian.
We have like this.
My country also have.
Egg, what is that? With the egg. Yeah.
You can walk.
Huh?
Here is no good to shopping mall.
Oh, I want to drink. I want to drink. Come here. Shong, let's go to the island, Shong. How many minutes going to the island? You want to go to the island? No.
Let's go lah. It's 45.
I want to buy. Shong, take me picture here, Shong. First in the mall, what do you think?
You want to go along first, right?
Huh? But we are hungry now. Malaysia. Let's see what's in there.
We still can bring the milk tea inside.
There. Okay, let's cross here. Shong, come here. No, this is the way going out. Better go inside the mall na.
Where?
There. But we should walk around first, that side. Where's the exit? We need to go inside because this one is nothing. Or okay, let's go here. Let's see what's in there. Little Italy. Shoe Smart, LED doors and windows. Let's go. Fire. Welcome to Malaysia. Bakuti. A lot of orange here. What is it? Hey, here orange is like 7-Eleven, no? Very hot, ah? Let's go. This is the last and we go back. No. Let's go.
Really almost so it's
Come. Very hot here, huh? So hot here, guys, in Malaysia. It's just like the same in Philippines. This island is the tip of the Philippines, next to Palawan. So they should have the nice beach also here. Go. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's sit down. Yeah. Let's go there and there. So we just finished eating Malaysian food.
we go there, right? Go there, passing there.
It's okay. Okay, we're going back to the mall. It's just the same in Philippines. Maybe Indonesia is like this also. Have you been to Indonesia?
I will be.
Yeah, it's like this also. Where should bring you in the valley?
We plan to the valley with my.
Only two of you? See, we're very near. Actually, we can just walk.
Me too.
Hey Larry. Yes.